got the ROCKPAL 300 and my transfer pump. And the reason we have to have a transfer pump for this RV is it's a pressure system, so you have to be able to push the water in. Let's see if this little sucker will do it. Put her on. There it goes. 100%. Let's turn the AC thing on. Well, there she goes. Oh! We got 12 gallons of water. Yeah! Now that's sweet. Because before I had to run the generator to pump this in, but the pump is running strong. So, and I really don't know what the power, how much watts it takes for this or whatever, but it's running 100% because I tried it with the generator and it sounds the same. This thing pumps like 6 gallons a minute, which is one of these tanks. Now that's nice. I'm really impressed with that. What we're using is, what does it say, 99 watts? So it's drawing a lot of power, but it sounds great. Oh. Wow.
So this is great for when you're dry camping.
Right.
We can get water up above where we're staying, and now we've got a way to get the water into our rig without moving our rig.
And without using
thanks to the ROCKPAL, we can do that.
And without having to use a generator or anything like that. And so after 12 gallons, we'll see how far it went down. It was at 100%. We just pumped 12 gallons of water, 96%. That is incredible. So, first real test, I'm really impressed. This makes it so much easier just to grab this to pump water than to grab the generator to fire up my 110 pump. We'll try it somewhere else.
So charging multiple items. I've got my phone plugged in, and I've got my laptop plugged in. Not bad. So I've used this ROCKPAL to charge my laptop, to charge my cell phone, and a whole lot of other things. But the true test is, for a woman, or even a man, can this handle a hair straightener? Let's see. Okay. Seems to be doing just fine. It's warming up. I know that you would not be able to do a hairdryer though. Way too much power. But for someone who wants to use it for a straightener or maybe a curling iron, seems to be doing just fine. So that's definitely a game changer for me when I'm traveling, because usually Scott would have to turn on the big generator for me to use my hair utensils. Now I can just plug it right in, go into my bathroom, and voila. I can take care of it myself. I don't have to wait for anyone to turn the big generator on. Perfect. And you might not be able to run your hair dryer with it, but just think, in a home, if you lose power and you're trying to get ready for work, that's even better.
Alright, so the other day I tested my little ROCKPAL 300 on the transfer pump to pump water into the camper. So now I'm going to try it with my brand new 900-inch, no, it's a 43-inch screen. Love this thing. So we're going to see how the ROCKPAL does. Let's kick it on. Hopefully there's something good on. Hey, comes on. Working great. I already used it obviously earlier today. We're at 57% and it's taking 51 watts of power to run my new TV. I think that's good for 6 or 7 hours at least of watching this big old screen. So I like it. So just remember, if you're stressed out because the power's out, whip your ROCKPAL out. It always works.
They give you all of your information that you need right here. And then they give you some more information here, and they give you the website, phone number. So if you have problems, there's all your information right on the bottom of the ROCKPAL. So ROCKPAL also has some nice features where they've got little covers on the plug-in and right here. It's very nice so that you don't get a lot of dust in them. You can just close them up and they're secure. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I've gone ahead and I'm going to put my NutriBullet with a smoothie in. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you the nice little feature that they have when you've plugged something into it that is way too powerful for the unit. 300 watts. My NutriBullet is 600 watts. So first off, it's having a really hard time. It kicks out an error caution telling you that it's way too powerful. Obviously you could see that, but the first time I did this, it spun, it blended for just about 30 seconds and then the error came on. So you know it's just way too powerful. Nice little feature to let you know that you're not going to ruin your ROCKPAL.
Or your equipment.
Or your equipment.
A ROCKPAL 300 has 3 really easy ways to charge it back up. Your DC adapter, which Terry and I usually, while we're traveling in the truck, plug it into the cigarette lighter, plug this in, wham. When we're hooked into electricity, easier way right there, 110 power. But the way I really like to do it, and this is probably the neatest way to do it, is this solar pack that you can get. And this thing comes fully loaded. It's a 100-watt panel. Comes with your cord, which you can see I haven't even undone it from there, your extension cord. But it also comes with all these adapters here. So these plug into all different units, and actually there's one that even fits their competitor that it charges up really well. But let me show you this thing. Now this is the older version. They have the new style now, and the difference is the new ones have stabilizers on the back legs. This one's kind of designed so you can hang it up. It's got hooks up here, so you can hang it up like that. I usually just set it on its side and just kind of put it by my tire. Just something like that. And when you're charging this, what you want to do is you want to make sure your ROCKPAL 300 is behind it, so it's in the shade. You just take it, plug it in like that, set it back there. And the one thing I do like about the ROCKPAL also is this will charge at 69 watts, which is, it's pretty quick. Basically, it'll go from 0 to 100% in like 4.5 hours with a great day like this. So that's my favorite part of the whole deal. And of course you have to have sunshine, but that's why you go to Arizona. Otherwise, there's your other 2 devices, and don't be without your ROCKPAL. So when you go to turn it on, what I've noticed with this is you do have to hold the button for a second or so for the light to kick on. And out here in the sun, it's hard to see. So now the light's on, it'll power up. And same with your power switches. These are all your selectors for where you're going to run the power to. Same with this one. To turn that on, you just hold it for a second and it comes on. It's not a quick button thing, which is fine, which also prevents it so you're just not walking around and carrying it in your backpack, taking it camping with you, and you turn it on and all of a sudden, you know, it will use a little bit of power if this is on. It says it's not using anything, but I'm sure these lights might take a little bit. But it's just kind of a safety switch, so it doesn't just get kicked on real quick. Really like my little ROCKPAL.
Scott.
Yeah, that's even easy. Nice and lightweight. I forget what it said it weighs. It's like 10 pounds maybe. It probably says it right here. Oh, but I have the wrong glasses on to read it. Really nice little system. And it's cute. And we've honestly had this for a couple months because I didn't want to do a review just saying, hey, look, I just popped it out of the box. This is what it can do or whatever. We've been using this for several months now to make sure that it was what it was all advertised. And honestly, it's a 300 watt, but I've put something on it that kicked it up to 360 watts. So it actually puts out more than advertised. And we'll leave the link, actually I mean Terry will leave the link in the description below to go to their website and get a great deal on these ROCKPALs. And one of the other things I forgot to mention about this solar pack is, or solar panel, is it has USB ports here too. So you can charge up your phones and or anything with whatever will charge with USB ports. Also, it has these MC4 connectors, and so what you can actually do also there is disconnect this, and you could hook other things to the MC4 connectors too. Just a super nice system. I really do like it. So why don't you just go get your ROCKPAL on today?
ROCKPAL?
ROCKPAL. If you need a pal, get a ROCKPAL.
There you go.
When you have no other friends, get a ROCKPAL.